And here's the result. One window and two windows. Perfect. Do you have a window that when it's going up will stop right there and go back down? Because I do. And it's both doors. They'll go and they'll stop and come back down. Well, I've got a fix. And before I show you the fix, keep in mind that I'm not a chemist. I don't recommend doing this, but it worked for me because it was super annoying to have the windows not go up all the way without nudging them up gradually. If you have a Tesla and if this is happening, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I've not tested this long term. I'm not a chemist, so I don't know what this stuff will do to the seal long term, but man, in the temporary and the short term, it's worked great. I took the car to Tesla twice, and the only thing that they say is a very expensive fix to replace both motors and all of the wires that control the window. So I was like, there's got to be something. So I reached for an old school method. Slippery when dry. Graphite lubricant. I put a little bit on a rag and I wiped it along the seal. Now you see it's a little bit shiny now, but this is going on 2 weeks and it's holding up really good. Hope that helps some of you guys. A couple of tricks and recommendations. Don't spray it on the whole thing. As you can see, I got a lot of overspray. I just wanted it to get on this seal, not this inside one. But I've got dish soap on a rag, and that's now doing a really good job cleaning it. So just be careful of this stuff once it's sprayed. It sticks pretty good to this rubber, as you can see. So don't do that. But both sides, where the window rides, that's where you want to put that graphite, and be very gentle when you're putting it on, just on the area where you want it. Otherwise it'll get all over the place like I did the first time. And with a little bit of scrubbing, I got the overspray mostly off. Probably have to go through and retouch it. As I could say, don't recommend this. You can see how it does look a little bit shinier. I think the video does a really good job of making it pop. In person, honestly, I don't think I would notice it, but again, if you have a problem and you don't want to spend a bunch of money for something that's not totally broken, maybe it'll help you out. But again, don't recommend it, but it worked for me. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. Again, final result, one button. Boom, all the way to the top. No more problem.